Hi guys, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing my Erin Condren plan with me from October 31st to November 6th. And I'm using this CrissyAnne design Halloween themed sticker kit. It is so cute. As you can see, I'm starting with my dates because I always find I put down what I know for sure. When I go into a design, especially one like this where it is a no white space design, I don't always know where I'll be placing stickers. So the ones I do know, my washi strip at the bottom, my date dots, and my dates at the top. And then I go in randomly with these decorative stickers. The difference between these and the Cricut paper co that I used in previous weeks are that these are not as tall as the other ones. These are quite a bit shorter, so in order to fill up some of the spaces, I do use some of the smaller stickers. I use some washi tape and some of the tiny decorative pumpkins that are on the sheet. So here I decided to add some simply gilded washi tape because this, I guess I'm going to call it copper bows. Copper bows on the black just appeal to this spread so much and just kind of give it the extra pop that I feel like it needs. So I'm going to continue laying down my decorative stickers. And randomly, I've been putting them down, not in any specific area. I don't really like having them all across the top or all across the middle. I like picking different spots in the planner because even though it makes it look super busy, I also think it just gives it something extra. So you'll see me rifling through my stickers a lot. And the reason I am doing a voiceover this time is because I had the dishwasher running and my dogs were click-clacking back and forth on my living room floor. So I thought this would be the better way to go. So sometimes on the left-hand bar, I will add things that are not necessarily scheduled. So things that I might have to do during the week, but that I don't necessarily have a specific date for. So I will leave room on the left to put things to not forget, things to remember. And so it's kind of nice to have that little area there. So I'm using some of the large boxes to fill that area up. And then what I do is I go in, I start with this left-hand page first. I go in with all of my work stuff first. So as you can see, I'm filling in my blog information, my YouTube information, and just my general work tasks that I have throughout the day. So if you have watched my previous plan with me, you know that I wake up at 5 o'clock, usually Monday to Friday, because my kid has school. So I'll wake up at 5 so I can get my planning time in and my alone time. And that's usually when I do my hard focus work tasks, as long as, of course, I have my cup of coffee. That is essential to start my day. So all of these tasks I'm writing in right now would be conducted between the hours of 5 and 7:30. So once I've finished those, I can get on with the remainder of the tasks. And this week, believe it or not, despite how much information I have written down on this planner, is actually my week off. And imagine me doing quotation finger marks with that because my husband will be home on the 31st. He's going to be home and we're all going to go out trick-or-treating that night. So it's going to be an extra special week and evening, I suppose. So what we do is basically a lot of household chores. We'll do the bedding together. We'll do all of the errands. So we do have to go to Costco this week. We have to go to PetSmart. We have to hang some pictures. And then the larger events that I have going on Friday, we will be having a date night, which we haven't had one in probably over, I'd like to say since September 8th, I think was our last date night. And then Saturday, my son has a birthday party to go to. So we do need to purchase a gift for his friend. And then on Sunday is my baby shower. And so my baby is actually due. I think we're aiming for January 1st to December 31st. And the reason it's so early, number one, I don't really like people being around my baby when I first come home. I know people generally like to have a baby shower when you have your baby because they get to meet him or her. But in my case, it's just kind of a germ thing. And then honestly, when you're first home, you don't feel like having people over unless they're planning on helping you and cleaning your house and feeding you. So, and that's been my experience with my previous too. So I usually have the baby shower early, and then plus my husband will be home during this period and he won't be home until close to Christmas. So it just kind of works out right now. So as you can see, I was like slowly filling up the spread, and sometimes what I'll do, you'll see me do that here, I move previous stickers or washi tape to fit in other stickers. And what I'm doing now is putting these little boxes on top of this decorative box. I've never actually done that before because I feel like it's almost a waste of a decorative box, but at the same time, it really does fill up the page and it makes it look kind of cute. It has like a background almost. And so I saw that. I can't remember whose channel it was, but I was watching somebody else do that and I thought, okay, maybe I can do that too. Also, I will put a sticker on top of another box sticker because I like to keep my work and my personal separate, even though it is in the same planner. I just like to have that color separation so I know what's what. And now we're just going to go ahead and plan for the weekend. So I am expecting a Sephora haul this week. I did place an order yesterday or the day before, and it's going to be a big one. So I have a huge haul that I will have to film this week and hopefully have it up by Monday. So if you guys are interested in that, it is the VIB Rouge sale haul. So that is why it will be a big one. And I'm super excited. I will use some of that new makeup for date night. And also, I will be doing my makeup for my baby shower on the Sunday. And then hopefully maybe swimming at the end too. So now I am going ahead and filling in some of the little stickers. I never really use all of these stickers on the KrissyAnne design sticker sheets because there are just so many. So I do keep these stickers to use randomly when I need them. There's lots of functional boxes left over. And now I'm adding all of my tasks that are not scheduled to the bars on the left-hand side. So these are things that we can really do at any point. So we'll just add them in wherever we can fit them. And then I'm adding these little pumpkins because they're adorable. And that's it for the plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and click on the bell button, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, friends.